Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 13 July 2018, 13 of hour, 18 of minute and 35 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do plug sockets use electricity when left on? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do plug sockets use electricity when left on. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do plug sockets use electricity when left on. If either of these are not on, then the socket will use zero power. If there is something plugged into the socket, but the switch is off, then no electricity will be used either. Therefore, both of the sockets below are not using any electricity at all. Last update November 23, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.